A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe. Children, in the previous class, I told you about files, folder, file explorer, and the different parts of the file explorer. In this video, I am going to explain how you create, copy, move, delete, restore, rename a files and folder. So let's start today's class. Open page number 25. Creating a new folder. You can create a new folder inside another folder or inside a drive. Means you can create a folder in any drive or you can create a folder inside any other folder. In short, you can create a folder anywhere in the system. You can create folder on desktop, you can create folder inside the drive, you can create a folder inside any other folder, right? There are two methods to create a folder, right? The short method to create a folder is I'm going to create a folder on the desktop. For example, it is not given in your book. So to create a folder, the shortcut method is right click anywhere on the blank space. To right click anywhere on the blank space, when you right click, then this list will be open. In this list, click on new option. Click means left click. Click on new option, then click on folder option. Type folder name, and after typing the folder name, click outside the folder. Your folder will created. I repeat once again. To create a folder, the shortcut method is right click on anywhere blank space on anywhere. Right click on blank space, then click on new option, then click on folder option. Type the folder name and click outside the DPS is already created. Type another name, right? Your folder will be created. Understood? So what is the shortcut method to create a folder? Right click, new, folder option. Now I am going to create a folder inside a drive. Open the drive. First of all, open the drive. Open PC option. How you open icon? Right click on the PC option, then click on open, or you can double click on the double left button on the mouse. After that, open the drive in which you want to create a folder. Right now I am going to create a folder in D drive. So I open the D drive. Process is the same. Right click or double left button quickly. Right click, open. Now I told you one method to create a folder. What is the method? Right click, then new, then folder. Right click anywhere on the blank space, then click on new option, then click on folder option. Type folder name, right? You can also create a folder by the method which is given in your book. The option is click on home tab. This is a home tab. Then under new group, click on new folder. Type folder name and click outside the. Understood? How you create a folder? Click on home tab, then new option, click on new folder option, right? Give folder name and click outside the folder. So this is the two method. Now I'm going to create a folder inside a folder, right? In your book, let us create a folder named assignment inside the folder school work. In your book, it is given to create a folder named assignment in the folder schoolwork. So I have already created a schoolwork folder. Let us create a folder inside the schoolwork folder. Click on the option. This is the schoolwork option. Schoolwork. So what is the step? Navigate to the schoolwork folder. Double click to open it. Double click means left button. Double click on school folder. Schoolwork folder will be open. After that, click. You have two choices. Right click on the blank space, then new, then folder, or you can create folder by clicking home tab. It is given on the book. Look, page number 25. Click on home tab. Then step 3, click on new folder button. A new folder with the name new folder is created. When you click new folder button, a folder is created with the name of new folder. Type the name assignment. Then and press the enter key. Your folder is created. Understood? I hope you understand. I repeat once again. You have two methods to create a folder: the shortcut method, the useful method. Right click anywhere on the desktop, right click anywhere on the blank space, then click on new option, then click on folder. Or you can create a folder by clicking on home tab, then click on new folder option. Then after typing the name, click outside the folder or press enter button. Now page number 27. Copying a file or folder. The copy and paste command help you to create an extra or duplicate copy of a file or a folder. Means when you copy any file and folder, it means you are creating a duplicate copy of that file and folder. When you copy any file and folder, it means that you create a duplicate copy of that files and folder, right? Let us create a copy of the file English in the folder assignment. How you copy any file and folder? You can copy any file and folder by 3 methods. Let's see how you create a copy. In your book, it is the process to copy English file, but now I am going to copy my files which I have saved in D drive. First of all, click on the folder on the file to be copied. I save the file in D drive, so I open the D drive. Now look at the step which is given on page number 27. Step 1. Listen carefully. Click on the folder or the file to be copied. First of all, click on that folder or file which you want to copy. I want to copy computer file, so I click on the computer file. After that, click on home tab. Click on home tab. Step 3. Click on the copy button. Click on the copy button. Right? Now step 4. Click on that folder inside in which the copied file or folder has to be placed. Click on that folder in which you want to place the copied file and folder. आप उस फोल्डर को उस फोल्डर को ओपन करेंगे जिसमें कि आपको कॉपी की हुई फाइल को प्लेस करना है. तो in this case, click on the folder assignment. So where I save folder assignment, click on E drive, schoolwork, then open folder. Now after opening the folder assignment, then click on home tab, then paste option. You can see schoolwork under assignment folder, computer file will be placed. You can also see D drive ABC. Computer file is also in ABC drive. Understood? It is a path. It is a long path. What is the shortcut to copy and what is the shortcut to copy any file and folder? First of all, simple method. Right click any files and folder. Right click. Just I want to copy class 5 file, right click, then click on copy option, right, then go to the folder in which you want to be placed. In case I E drive, school work, assignment, then right click, then paste option. This is the second method. The third method is select the files or folder which you want to copy. I want to copy this file. Select, then press Ctrl C from the keyboard. Ctrl C and open the folder in which you want to be placed. And press Ctrl V. Understood? There are three methods to copy files and folders. First of all, click on the folder or file which you want to copy. सबसे पहले उस फाइल और फोल्डर को पे क्लिक करेंगे जिसको कि हमको कॉपी करनी है. आफ्टर दैट क्लिक ऑन होम टैब, then click on copy option, then move to the open the particular folder in which we want to be placed, then click on home tab, then click on paste option. It is the path, but what is the shortcut? Select the files and folder which you want to copy. जिस भी फाइल या फोल्डर को कॉपी करनी है आप उसको सेलेक्ट करिए, then press Ctrl C from the keyboard and move to that folder in which you want to be placed. उस फोल्डर को ओपन करिए, उस प्लेस पे जाएंगे जहाँ पे हमको की प्लेस करना है. Then press Ctrl V. Right? This is the second method and it is shortcut method, and it is most useful method. Third method is right click on particular files or folder which you want to copy. अब जिस भी फाइल और फोल्डर को कॉपी करना है आप उस पर राइट क्लिक करिएगा. आफ्टर दैट क्लिक ऑन कॉपी ऑप्शन, देन move to that folder which you want to copy, open that folder and right click, then click on paste option. So this is the three method through which you can copy. Understood? I repeat once again the method. Select the files and folders, press Ctrl C, go to that place where you want to be copy, place the copied files and folders, and then press Ctrl V. Second method is right click any files and folder which you want to copy, then click on copy option, go to that place where you want to be placed, then right click and paste option. Third method is select the files and folder, click on home tab, click on copy button, move to that place where you want to be placed, then click on home tab, then paste button. Now open page number 28. Moving file or folder. The cut and paste command help you to move file or folder to a different location. When you copy a file or folder, then you create a duplicate copy. But when you move a file and folder, then original file will be moved from one place to another place. जब आप किसी फाइल को कॉपी करते हैं तो ओरिजिनल फाइल अपने प्लेस पे ही रहती है, बट उसकी एक कॉपी जनरेट हो जाती है. बट व्हेन यू मूव एनी फाइल फोल्डर, देन ओरिजिनल फाइल विल मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. राइट? हाउ यू डू दिस? द स्टेप इज click on folder option, page number 29. Click on the folder or the file to be moved. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उस फाइल को, उस फोल्डर को क्लिक करेंगे जिसको कि हमको मूव करनी है. तो आई एम गोइंग टू मूव कंप्यूटर फाइल. Select it, then click on home tab, then click on cut option. Right? After that, go to that place, go to that folder in which we want to place it. Now I want to open this folder, then click on home tab, then paste option. Computer file is moved here. Understood? The second method is click on file or folder which we want to move. Then select the file, right click on particular file or folder which you want to move. Then click on cut option. Then go to that place, open that folder and right click and paste option. Click on paste option. This is the second method. Third option is click on the files or folder which we want to move. Select the file and press Ctrl X. Ctrl X from the keyboard. Open that folder in which you want to place and place Ctrl V. Understood? So these are the three methods through which we can move file and folder. I repeat once again, please listen very carefully. The first option is click on files and folder, then click on home tab, then click on cut option. After that, move to that folder in which you want to be placed, and then click home tab, click on paste option. Understood? Second method is select files and folders which you want to move, then press Ctrl X, move to that folder in which you want to be placed, and press Ctrl V. This is the second method. Third method is select files and folder, select files or folder which you want to move, then right click on that file and folder, then click on cut option, move to that folder in which you want to be placed, and right click, then paste option. This is the third method. Okay, so now open page number 31. Removing a file and folder. You can remove an unwanted file or folder by deleting it. To remove the file or folder means if you want to delete unwanted file from your system, then what is the step? Understood? If we want to remove unwanted files or folder from the system, then we delete that files and folder. How we delete any files and folder? Let's see. On page number 31, steps are given. Look at the book. Page number 31, step number 1. Select the file or folder. First of all, select the file or folder which we want to delete. सबसे पहले हम उस फाइल और फोल्डर को सेलेक्ट करेंगे जिनको कि हमको डिलीट करना है. Understood? So in case school work in E drive, school work assignment, I want to delete class 5, right? So then select the file or folder, select कर लिया, then click on the home tab, click on home tab, then click on the down arrow of the delete button, down arrow on the delete button, click on down arrow on the delete button. It provides you with two option. यहाँ पे आपको दो ऑप्शन प्रोवाइड हो रहा है. Recycle. Choosing this option, send the file to the recycle bin. If we choose recycle option, then deleted file will move on the recycle bin. Understood? If we choose recycle option, then deleted file will move in the recycle bin. And if we choose permanently delete, then deleted file will never move in the recycle bin. Understood? If we choose recycle option, then deleted file will move in the recycle bin, and from where we can restore it again. But if we choose permanently delete option, this option, then deleted files will never move in the recycle bin, and you can't restore that files. So I choose recycle. I repeat once again, select the file, then click on home tab, then delete option, delete, then recycle. Computer file class 5 will move in the recycle bin. Let's see. Open recycle bin. Class 5 are here. Now second method is permanently delete. permanently delete school work assignment. Now I want to delete computer. To select the computer file, click on home tab, then delete option permanently. System are asking, are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Click on yes option. See, open recycle bin. Computer file are not displayed here. Understood? Now this is the first method. Second method, it is a long method. The second method is select the files and folder which you want to delete. I want to delete this folder, these two folders, right? So first of all, select this folder, then right click and delete option. Folder will move in recycle bin. You can see class 4 is appear in the display in the recycle bin. But if you want to delete any files or folder permanently, the shortcut is shift plus delete. Select the folder and press shift plus delete button. Which button? Shift plus delete button from the keyboard. System are asking, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file folder? Yes, I am sure. Click on yes button. You can see. Understood? Now open page number 32. Restoring a deleted file or folder. How you restore a deleted file or folder? By mistake, if by mistake if you delete any files or folder by mistake, then you can restore it again from the recycle bin. जब अगर गलती से आपसे कोई फाइल और फोल्डर डिलीट हो जाती है, then you can restore it from the recycle bin. How you restore the file and folder from the recycle bin? First of all, open recycle bin, double click on the recycle bin or right click on the recycle bin as you wish. Now select the file and folder which you want to restore and right click. When you right click, a list will be open. In this list, click on restore option. Right? Once again, you can see your file will be moved on their original place. Look, local disk, school work, assignment, class 5 are appear. Understood? I repeat once again. Open recycle bin, right click on file or folder which you want to restore, then click on restore option. File or folder will move on their original place. You can see class 4 is here. Now renaming files or folder. How you rename a file and folder? Then first of all, two or three methods. 3 methods is there. First method is select files or folder which you want to rename. सबसे पहले आप उस फाइल और फोल्डर को सेलेक्ट करेंगे जिसको कि आपको रीनेम करना है. राइट क्लिक, नहीं सॉरी, सेलेक्ट हो गया. देन क्लिक ऑन होम टैब, देन रीनेम ऑप्शन. नाउ चेंज द नेम and click outside the this is the first method. Click on select the files or folder, click on home tab, then click on rename option. It is the first method. Second method is right click on files or folder which you want to rename, then click on rename option and type right. This is the second method. Third method is shortcut. Select file or folder and press F2 from the keyboard. Type the name and press enter. Right. So there are 3 methods to rename a files. There are 2 methods to create a folder, 3 methods to copy files and moving files, 2 method to delete a files and folder, 3 method to rename a file. I repeat the shortcut once again. To copy a file, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. We use Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy a file and folder. We use Ctrl X, Ctrl V to move a file and folders. We use Shift Delete for permanently delete a file and folder. We use F2 for renaming any file folder. I hope you understand. Okay, thank you.